And I already spent one week, 2 days with guys. So sasa kutugabane but Wi-Fi tugabane, but it's my guys. Thank you very much.
Are you celebrating Valentine's today?
I think so, but a little bit, you know.
Why a little bit?
A little bit because my guy is not around. So he's a Nigerian guy, but he's not around. Yeah, his name is McDonald. Yeah, that's
So you
him.
don't fear to mention your guy's name? Like,
Why should I fear? Because it's my guy. Ababona so basa kutugabane, but Wi-Fi tugabane, but it's my guy. It's called McDonald. Yeah, Ned.
Valentine's doesn't hold a meaning.
Yeah?
Valentine's doesn't still hold a meaning.
Yeah, it does because he made me happy. Yeah, he made me happy. He sent me some money, you know. Money is that, you know.
Now, what's Valentine's to you?
Valentine's to me, it means a lot. Like I've so far made 2 years with my guy. You know, it has never happened. I already spent one week, 2 days with guys. So then it's something if I make 2 years. Yeah.
Any song, love song?
Okay, it's Who's Your Guy? That's my song.
And then when you put it on, why he like this today?
Yeah, because I want to impress my guy. Though he's not around, but I have to show them. I'm dressed like this, but I never cheat on him.
Then when you put it on,
I'm putting on a 3-piece. This is a thread that ties my skirt. This is my swimsuit. Yeah, and my glittering shoes. Oh my Lord. Yeah, that's me.